Every 39 seconds, a car disappears. That could be your car, unless you learn how to stop thieves cold in their tracks. In this video, you'll discover 19 instant ways to protect your ride. Some cost less than $10, and others take just 1 second. We'll show you tricks thieves hate, high-tech hacks they can't beat, and one extreme method so effective that most thieves just walk away. Let's start with visible deterrents. Trick number 1, lock your steering wheel with a bar. According to police, just seeing one of these can cut theft risk by 50%. Thieves can bypass alarms and start cars in seconds, but they can't steer past a big metal bar. It's simple, cheap, and fast. Brands like the Club cost under $50. You hook it on, turn the key, and you're done. No wiring, no tools. Pro tip, park with the bar facing the window. This will ensure thieves see it before they reach the door. In a world of high-tech theft, this old-school tool still wins. And if you really want to keep your car and avoid getting fined or jailed, ditch the next dumb habit that thieves love. Trick number 2, never leave your car running unattended. Sounds obvious, right? But 1 in 4 stolen cars was left running, alone. Thieves call it puffing. A running car with no driver is their dream setup. Some states, like Colorado, Texas, and Wisconsin, have even made it illegal to leave your car idling unattended. If your car is running, stay with it. And if you use a remote starter, make sure the doors are locked and the car can't be driven without the key. So, you've turned off the engine? Good. Now let's make your car look like a trap. The next trick fools thieves, even when it's fake. Trick number 3, clamp your tire. That bright yellow tire clamp isn't just for parking tickets. It's one of the best theft stoppers you can use. Thieves see the metal clamp locked on your wheel and immediately move on. Visible deterrents like tire clamps prevent nearly half of theft attempts. The best part? You don't even need a real one to get results. A fake clamp or even a realistic sticker makes thieves think your car is protected. They want easy targets, not vehicles that might have alarms or require extra work. Park with the clamp facing outward where thieves can see it clearly. That flash of yellow metal is often enough to make them choose another car. For maximum protection, combine the clamp with other methods like steering wheel locks. Tire clamps work, but they'll cost you, unlike the next trick on our list. Trick number 4, turn your wheels when you park. Ever wonder why smart drivers turn their wheels when they park? It's not just habit, it's protection. Thieves want quick getaways. If your wheels are turned sharply, they can't just roll your car away. Towing becomes harder too. The crooked wheels force them to straighten them first, and that takes extra time they don't want to spend. This works especially well on hills or when parking next to curbs. Turn your wheels toward the curb when facing downhill and away when facing uphill. Now, your car won't roll even if someone tries to move it. Trick number 5, pull the fuel pump fuse. Imagine a thief jumps in, starts your car, and it dies 10 feet later. That's what happens when you pull the fuel pump fuse. Just pop the hood and locate your fuse box. It's usually near the battery or driver's side fender. Use the diagram on the fuse box cover or your owner's manual to find the fuel pump fuse. It's usually labeled FP. Pull it out and take it with you. Your car might start, but it won't run. Thieves don't carry spare fuses. They'll ditch the car fast. This trick takes under a minute and makes your car nearly impossible to steal. Just remember to pop the fuse back in before you drive. Now, let's talk about tech tricks that block thieves before they even get close to your car. Trick number 6, use a Faraday pouch. You bought a car with keyless entry for convenience, but that same feature could be the reason it disappears. Modern thieves use cheap relay devices to capture and boost your key fob's wireless signal, even through walls. They can unlock and start your car in seconds without ever breaking in. That's where a Faraday pouch comes in. It's lined with signal-blocking metal that shields your key from wireless theft. Drop your fob in as soon as you get home. Park at work or stop anywhere for a while, and you're protected. You can get a good one for under $10. There's a link in the description. Pro tip: don't rely on microwaves or fridges. They can damage your fob and often fail to block signals. Test your Faraday pouch regularly. And don't forget to include the spare keys when you get home. Trick number 7. Lock your OBD port. Like they say, there are always two sides to a coin. The OBD port under your dash helps mechanics diagnose car problems, but thieves use it too to program fake keys in minutes. Here's the scary part. An unlocked OBD port lets criminals steal your car without your keys. They plug in a device, program a new key fob, and drive off like they own it. The fix is simple. Buy an OBD port lock for about $20. It's a small metal cage that covers the port. No special tools are needed. Just screw it in place. Some cars let you remove the OBD fuse instead. The location of this fuse varies by make and model. For instance, in certain Ford vehicles, it's fuse number F.20 located in the fuse block to the left of the driver's side dash, while in some BMW models, it's fuse number 2.75A in the passenger footwell or kick panel. By the way, if this helps protect your car, like and subscribe. I've got plenty more ways to keep your ride safe. All right, let's move on. Trick number 8. Install a GPS tracker with geofencing. Let the terms not scare you. A GPS tracker hides in your car and lets you track it from your phone in real time. If your vehicle moves without permission, you'll get an instant alert. Geofencing lets you draw a virtual fence around your home, work, or school. If your car leaves that zone, your phone notifies you instantly. Trackers like the Spytech GL300 or Landair C54 cost around $25. They're easy to hide under a seat. No wiring needed. Police recover 9 out of 10 stolen cars with trackers. Without one, your odds drop to 4 out of 10. Some GPS trackers even offer engine shutoff. GPS tracking finds your car, but the next trick stops it from leaving. Trick number 9. Add a hidden kill switch. This one will get the thieves by surprise. A kill switch is a secret button that cuts power to your car. Even with your keys, the engine won't start unless you flip the switch. Mechanics can install one for about $100. Hide it where only you know, under the seat, in the glove box, or behind a panel. Thieves will turn the key and get nothing. It works because most thieves don't have time to search for hidden switches. They want fast getaways. Choose between fuel pump or starter circuit switches. Fuel pump ones work best. The car might crank, but won't run. Either way, it's a cheap trick that makes your car nearly theft-proof. You've got hidden switches and smart tech, but then there's one lazy habit that blows it all. Let's talk about that. Trick number 10. Close your windows and hide your stuff. Maybe you rolled down the window slightly for a gate check, then parked, got out, and walked away. Forgetting to roll it back up happens all the time, but to a thief, that little gap is a golden opportunity. With a coat hanger or a wire tool, they can pop your lock in seconds. No alarm, no mess. And if your gym bag, phone mount, or even a charging cable is visible, that's bait. They don't wonder what's inside. They break the window to find out. Police say cars with open windows or visible items are twice as likely to get hit. So before you walk off, roll the windows up, clear the seats, and leave nothing worth stealing. Trick number 11. Park under bright lights. Cars parked in dark areas are stolen twice as often. Bright lights make thieves nervous, and they don't want to be seen or caught on camera. Always choose spots near street lamps, storefront lights, and security cameras. In parking lots, head for the islands with tall lights. At home, install motion lights that click on with movement. Thieves will keep walking to darker targets. Bonus, light makes your other deterrents more visible too. That steering wheel lock or alarm sticker works better when thieves can actually see it. Trick number 12. Use an alarm sticker. Here's a genius trick that costs pennies, but works like a charm. Even if your car doesn't have an alarm, a simple sticker can make thieves think twice. Those official-looking, protected by alarm system decals you see on store windows. They work just as well on cars. Thieves can't tell real warnings from fake ones. Most won't risk finding out. Auto shops sell these stickers for about $5. Place it prominently on your driver's side window. For extra effect, add a second one near the rear windshield. Remember, in the thief's mind, the risk isn't worth it. Let them think your car is guarded, even if it's just a piece of vinyl. Trick number 13. Mount a fake blinking dash cam. Want to trick thieves from 20 feet away? A fake dash cam with a blinking red light is perfect. These $15 decoys look identical to real dash cams. The tiny LED flashes like it's recording 24/7. Thieves see that blinking light and assume they're being filmed. Most will immediately back off rather than risk being identified. Place it high on your windshield where it's clearly visible. For extra effect, add a small "smile, you're on camera" sticker nearby. The more authentic it looks, the better it works. Pro tip, combine this with your alarm sticker for double the psychological effect. If your car looks like it's guarded by alarms and cameras, most thieves are more likely to move on to an easier target. Trick number 14. Etch your VIN on windows. Here's a trick that makes your car radioactive to thieves. Literally mark it as stolen goods before it gets stolen. Etching your vehicle identification number, VIN, on every window makes your car harder to sell illegally. Most police departments offer free VIN etching kits. It takes minutes to do. You just clean the glass, apply the stencil, and rub in the etching cream. The result is permanent markings thieves can't remove without replacing all your windows. Chop shops hate these marked cars because they can't sell the parts easily. Many thieves will walk away when they spot the etchings. Insurance companies often give discounts for etched vehicles too. Trick number 15. Disconnect the battery for long parking. Going on vacation? Pop your hood and disconnect the negative battery cable. This simple move turns your car into a silent brick. No power means no electronics will work. Thieves can't start the engine, turn off alarms, or bypass security systems. Even hot wiring becomes impossible without an electrical current. It takes 30 seconds with just a wrench. When you return, reconnect it and drive off. Just remember, your radio presets might reset. Perfect for airport parking or long-term storage. Sometimes, the old-school solutions are still the best theft stoppers around. Trick number 16. Use Valet mode. Valet mode limits your car's speed and locks the glove box and trunk. It's meant for parking attendants, but it works great against thieves too. They can't race off at full speed or access your stored items. Tesla, BMW, and other luxury brands have this feature. Before leaving your vehicle, activate it through your car's touchscreen or mobile app. Some systems even record cabin activity. It's like putting your car on a leash. Thieves get frustrated when they can't go faster than 30 miles per hour or access all areas, and they'll abandon your ride quickly. Trick number 17. Beware of scammers and fake tow trucks. And last but not least, watch out for the boldest thieves of all. Some criminals don't bother sneaking around. They'll try taking your car in broad daylight using tow trucks or official-looking scams. Fake tow trucks operate in many cities. They'll hook your car while you're shopping, acting like they're doing legitimate work. Always check. Real tow trucks have company names and numbers. Drivers should show official paperwork. Never accept your car is being repossessed without verification. Other scams include Good Samaritan, claims about your car's damage, fake parking attendants demanding keys, bogus police impersonators. If you feel something is off, call the real authorities immediately. Lock your doors and stay in the car if you are approached suspiciously. Remember, the most daring thieves use confidence tricks, not tools. Stay alert and never hand over keys without absolute certainty. That's 19 clever ways to keep your car from disappearing. Some take seconds, others cost less than coffee. Everything I mentioned, from steering locks to Faraday pouches, is linked below. Hit subscribe if you want more no-nonsense car protection tips that actually work. And if you drive an automatic, the next video might just save your transmission.